cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Passion and I am very new to doing try on hauls, but this is going to be my very first try on haul. I ordered some items from Fashion Nova during their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, and I am going to be trying those items on today. It's a mini haul. I ordered 3 items, 2 jackets and a jumpsuit. Let's get started. The first item is the Frisky Feline jumpsuit. I got it in black in size large. Here's the jumpsuit. It fits perfect. I got it in a size large and it fits me perfectly. This is my size. It is the right size and it fits so well. Y'all, I feel like I'm a spy. I feel like a spy in this. Like, it goes perfectly down to my ankles and I love it. I think that it looks great. The next item I got to actually go with the jumpsuit is this Trixie Girl denim jacket, and I got it in a size large. You guys, this jacket is very large. It's big, really big. It's supposed to be oversized, but I definitely could have gotten this in a medium. I definitely could have sized down on this one because it is very big. It is really big. It's very cute though. I like it. It's very vintage. It gives me 80s, early 90 vibes. It's really a cute jacket and I like it. I just definitely probably should have sized down. The pockets are not functional on the outside, which sucks because I really like pockets. I really like it though. I really got it to wear it with this jumpsuit and I want to wear it kind of like this. I feel like I'm a rapper, like Salt and Pepper from back in the day. That's kind of how I feel with this on. I think it's really cute though, but I definitely should have sized down and gotten a medium in this. The next item I got is the Feel the Warmth puffer jacket. I got it in an extra large and it is houndstooth print. I love this jacket. I think that it's really cute. I got it because I just needed an everyday jacket that I could grab and put on when it's cold. And it is getting cold now here in Florida, so I just needed a new jacket that I could just throw on, run out of the door with, and I think that this is really cute. And it zips up. It has a hood on the back and it has pockets and the pockets zip. I think that this is really cute. I absolutely love this. This is going to be my new go-to jacket. It's not too thick, although it does kind of have like that bubble feel to it, and it is a puffer jacket and it is very much so puffy, but it's not too thick, it's not too hot, and it is lined in the inside. The inside is the same material as the outside, kind of like that windbreaker material, if you know what I mean, if you know what I'm talking about. So I like it. I think it will keep me warm and I think it's really cute. The hood is lined in fur and I think that's really cute and I really like it. Alright guys, that is the end of my mini Fashion Nova try on haul. I spent $75 on those 3 items because again I did buy during the Cyber Monday Black Friday sale. So I got, I believe it was 40% off. I really like those items. I think they're really cute. Comment down below which item you really like, which item you didn't like at all, or which item you want to buy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.